The fish are really not biting today.
Oh, haven't you caught any yet?
And how many did you cut?
Well, I didn't have very much luck.
That's what I thought.
Only these.
You catch all those?
Yes, sir, I certainly did.
What do you use for bait?
Bait?
Yeah, did you put anything on the hook?
No, I just threw the hook in, and then when all the fish jumped on, I just pulled them out.
Ay. Well, we better get back to camp. How do you feel? Tired, huh?
Well, yeah, those fish put up quite a fight.
Well, I'm sorry, but we're gonna have to keep a pretty good, brisk pace back to camp. We'll never make it back there by night.
Oh, don't worry, I'll keep up with you.
Yeah, well, I hope you're able to.
Able to? I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll race you back to camp.
Race me back to camp?
Yeah.
You've been standing out in the heat too long.
Well, nevertheless, I'll race you. And I'll bet you $5 that I'll beat you back. Are you game?
Okay, I'll just take you up on that. And because you're a woman, I'll give you a head start.
Well, because I'm a woman, I'll take it.
Hey, you keep up that pace, you won't last a mile. Slow down.
Isn't this a beautiful night?
Yeah. What time is it?
8 o'clock.
3 hours. What do you think's keeping Ricky?
Give him time. He didn't have me waiting in a station wagon to bring him back like you did.
Here he comes. Come here. Yeah, hurry up. Be sure and meet me right here in the morning. Okay. Don't forget, keep out of sight. What took you so long, dear? Great day for a hike, wasn't it? Nothing like a hike to tone up those old muscles, eh? Ricky, say something.
Water.
Of course, dear. Oh, I'm sorry, dear. I must have used it all up. You see, I got back so early I had time to wash my hair. Look, honey, if you're so tired, you better go to bed, huh?
Yeah.
Come on. Atta boy. Remember, you promised to take me hunting at 5 in the morning.
Oh, no.